When you live in Houston, energy bills can be a significant expense, especially during the scorching summer months or the chilly winter nights. The combination of extreme heat, humidity, and the constant need for air conditioning or heating puts a strain on your home's energy efficiency. One of the most effective ways to reduce your energy costs in Houston is by investing in new window installation. Here's how upgrading your windows can help lower your energy bills, improve your comfort, and boost your home's overall value. Increased insulation with energy-efficient windows. Older windows can be a major source of energy loss. Traditional single-pane windows or aging double-pane windows often have gaps or are poorly sealed, allowing air to escape or enter. This leads to your air conditioner or heater working harder to maintain a consistent temperature inside your home. Energy-efficient windows are designed to prevent this. Modern windows typically feature double or triple glazing, with insulating layers of gas like argon or krypton sandwiched between the panes of glass. These windows are much more effective at keeping your home's temperature stable, preventing the transfer of heat from the outside environment into your home, or vice versa. As a result, your HVAC system doesn't need to work as hard, reducing your energy consumption and ultimately lowering your bills. Improved solar control. Houston's intense sun can make your home unbearably hot during the summer months. The sun's UV rays can also fade furniture, carpets, and other items inside your home. High-quality windows designed with low emissivity coatings are an excellent solution to this problem. These windows are treated to reflect heat away from your home while still allowing natural light to enter. By reducing the amount of heat that enters through your windows, low-E windows can significantly reduce the workload on your air conditioning system. This translates into lower cooling costs, especially in Houston's sweltering summer months. In addition, low-E coatings protect your furniture, flooring, and artwork from the harmful effects of UV rays, extending their lifespan. Reduced drafts and air leaks. Drafts from old or improperly sealed windows can be one of the most frustrating sources of energy loss in a home. Even small gaps around your windows can allow warm or cool air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. Proper window installation ensures that all seals are tight and that no air can escape or enter through the frames. When you replace old, drafty windows with well-installed, energy-efficient models, you create a more airtight barrier between your home and the outside environment. This prevents drafts, helping maintain a consistent indoor temperature and reducing the need for constant temperature adjustments. Over time, this leads to significant savings on energy bills. Noise reduction and comfort. While Houston is known for its hot weather, it can also be a busy and noisy city. If your home is near a busy street, highway, or industrial area, you may experience unwanted outside noise that disrupts your peace and quiet. Energy-efficient windows are not only great for insulation and energy savings, but they also offer soundproofing benefits. Double or triple pane windows, along with sound-dampening frames, can significantly reduce the amount of outside noise that enters your home, providing a more peaceful and comfortable living environment. When you're not constantly adjusting your HVAC system to maintain comfort, your energy consumption remains lower. This contributes to a more energy-efficient home and lowers your monthly utility costs. Long-term investment and return on investment, ROI. The initial cost of window installation may seem significant, but the long-term benefits far outweigh the investment. In addition to reducing your energy bills, high-quality windows can increase your home's market value. Potential buyers are often attracted to homes with energy-efficient upgrades, knowing they'll save money in the future on utility costs. In Houston, where temperatures can fluctuate widely throughout the year, energy-efficient windows provide a comfortable, cost-effective solution for homeowners. In fact, studies show that homeowners can recoup a significant portion of their window installation costs through lower energy bills and potential home value increases. Conclusion. In Houston's challenging climate, window installation is a smart and cost-effective way to reduce your energy bills. With energy-efficient windows, you'll enjoy better insulation, improved solar control, reduced drafts, and a quieter, more comfortable home. Whether you're looking to save money on your energy bills or increase the value of your property, investing in new window installation is a step toward a more energy-efficient, sustainable, and comfortable living space.